Good morning, Dave, Rolling Springs Ranch. This week's video is going to be a little bit different. Couldn't really get a lot of film time in due to the heavy labor-intensive involvement, and it was just hard to film and work at the same time. What we did, we added a retaining wall around the in-law suite. When we first had this cabin delivered, we just had road base put down and just compacted. Over the course of the year, with the rain falling, everything else, it was starting to erode. So had some family and friends come into town, and we decided, hey, let's build a retaining wall. Now honestly, it is the second hardest labor-intensive job that I have done. First one being setting 120 fence posts in cap rock a foot below the ground when we lived in Florida. So that was number one, and number two is this retaining wall. We ended up going 8 high in sections towards the back and the corner. I think we used a total of 68 railroad ties. So if anybody's ever lifted a railroad tie, yes, we had a tractor. It was just easier to grab it, 2 men, grab a side and then put it up there and place it, and if we had to level it out and so forth. But it was very hard on the body. Luckily we had my brother-in-law is a strong guy, and he likes to work, so I give him credit for doing most of the digging. Actually, I'll say all of the digging. What a beast, definitely a beast. So 68 railroad ties, probably averaging 200 pounds a piece, and I think we got about 15 or 20 pieces of rebar, 1/2 inch. The lower level, we ran about 36 inches in the ground, and then stacking up from that, we did 16 inches. So it was enough to go through 2 railroad ties and then a couple inches on the third one. So got a pretty stout wall. We added some dead men in there as well, and really the only thing left on this whole project is to get a load of fill and then level it back out. So we'll have a nice level, roughly about 5-6 foot pad all the way around this house. So there is no chance for any more erosion, and as far as major projects on this ranch, I think we're pretty much done. I can't see anything else needing this amount of work and heavy labor. So yeah, it probably could have gone quicker. It took us 5 days to do it. There was 3 to 4 guys on this project, myself and 2 brother-in-laws and a friend. So we started off with some injuries in the beginning, but towards the end we just kind of fought through. So just like I said, the video this week is just video clips. I couldn't really do live filming during this whole thing. So hope you enjoy the video. Next week, when we get the road base and fill brought back in, I will do a follow-up and show you the final completion. There is some gravel here on the outside of the fence. I'll probably take and scoop up with the bucket of the tractor and then put it in there just to kind of clean it up as well. But overall, pretty happy with progress. And now we're coming into fall and winter, so it's time to tap the brakes a little bit and let's try to relax. So anyway, enjoy the video. If you like what you see, hit the like and subscribe. Dave, Rolling Springs Ranch.